He can write it. Oh, yeah, what's he doing now?
There we go. Perfect. That is really good, actually.
You're Michael Masters.
Now, can you guys see the card?
Yep.
Watch, this is really, really neat, okay? You might have seen this when I did at the restaurant. Looks like this. I'm going to put it way down inside. And push that card all the way in. Here we go. Watch. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. One card flies up and lands on top.
Whoa!
Pretty neat. That was your card, right? I'm going to do it again until everybody claps.
Come on, Matt.
That's the card, right? It looks like this, all the way down inside. Push it in. Push, push, push. There we go. Clap. That's clap.
Yay!
We'll do it again. It's right there. Watch. I'll do it again. You see the card? Big fan.
No, the M is kind of...
Here we go. I got a red card in there. Watch here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pick it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I saw that.
Something different. So
I
we're doing
saw
something
it.
different. Come here, come here. I'm going to draw him a picture instead. It's really cool.
Come here, Matt.
Now, if you guys can see, do you see that card?
Yeah.
Watch this. I'm going to draw a picture.
Matthew, pay attention.
People in the house. You look creepy.
That looks like Matthew.
Looks like you. He's a magician. We'll give him a top hat.
Nice.
It's a cape, not a dress, okay? Now watch. Stand right here for me. Can you see the picture?
Yep.
He's on the back of that 9. Here
Yep.
we go. Ready? On the count of 3, say jump. 1, 2, 3.
Jump.
There we go.
Whoa.
Flies through the air, comes over, he lands on the back of another card.
Oh.
I'll do it again. You ready? 10 of hearts. Ready? On the count of 3, say jump. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now here's the neat part. If I take that stick guy, put your hand up for me. Like this. I'm going to actually give you the stick guy. Here we go. Squeeze tight. On the count of 3, throw him up in the air. You ready? 1, 2, 3. He jumps through the air. He does a somersault, a backflip. I have red cards in there. He lands about halfway down. Here's the neat part. An M on it.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, clap for it, guys. Clap.
Yay!